Good day, guys. So today I'm going to share you another set of questions from previous licensure examination for teachers, and this is mainly for math majors, but you can also refer here for some gen ed math questions. Okay, without further ado, let's start. Okay, the question here is, what is the product of the quantity of 3 plus 20 times the quantity of 5 minus 30? Now, how we are going to solve this? How we're going to solve this? Okay, we can use FOIL method. Of course, we can use FOIL method here, but we can also, how to use FOIL method? Okay, FOIL, so F stands for what? Um, F stands for first term, so, and O for outer term, and I for inner term, and L for last term. And our first term here is 3 and 5. So we're going to multiply that one, so that is 3 times 5. Okay, next is the outer term, which is negative 30 and positive 3. So we're going to multiply that one, so that is negative 30 times 3, that is negative 90. So we will have from our first product, which is 15 minus 90, plus, since our inner term are both positive, so we will use the operation addition. So 20 times 5, that is 100. So we have now 15 minus 90 plus 100, right? And our last term is negative 30 and positive 20. Since positive times negative is negative, so we will use our I will use subtraction as our operation. Okay, 20 times 30, that is 600. So negative times positive, negative, so that is negative 600. So we will now compute. So that is negative 575. The answer is negative 575. Okay, number 5, we have here, if A is equal to B over 5 and 15A is equal to 14, what is B? Now, how you are going to solve this? Okay, how to find B? Okay, what is given here is we have the value of what? We have the value of variable A. So, we will use this equation, second equation, 15A is equal to 14 to find our variable B. So, we're just going to substitute the value of A to find B. So 15A is equal to 14. So we will just substitute our value of A here in this equation to find our value of B. So that's it. So this is 15 times B over 5 is equal to 14. And now we're going to what? Multiply this one, 15B over 5. But you can also use cross multiplication. So this will become 15B is equal to 14 times 5, which is 70, right? So, ikaw nang bahala kung saan ka comfortable sa pag-solve ng problem na to. So, this is 15b over 5 is equal to 14. Now, since this is, we can divide this 1 by 5. So, this is 15 divided by 5. That is 3b over 1, or 3b is equal to 14. Now, to find b, we're going to divide both sides by 3 or multiply both sides by 1/3. So, the result is 14 over 3. So, let's proceed to, do you have any question? Okay, if you have any question or suggestions, you may drop your comment below in the comment section. Okay, number 6, if P is a negative integer in the equation 12P is equal to Q, then Q must be A. Then Q must be a blank. So, ano kaya ang ano kaya dito si Q? Okay, what we're going to do is to substitute values, different values of P and Q. Example, if we're going to substitute here, sabi kasi dito, if P is a negative integer, okay, let's substitute negative integer. So, let's say negative 1. 12 times negative 1 is equal to what? What? This is negative 12, right? If negative 2, 12 times negative 2, this is negative 24, which is, ang makikita kasi natin, if we substitute different values of negative integer, the result will always be negative even integer. Example, 12 times negative 3, that is negative 36. So the answer is letter B. Okay, number 7. If you were converting height of your room for better ventilation, what would 1.70 meters be equivalent to? Okay, ang gagawin natin dyan is, since ang nasa choices, tingnan natin yung nasa choices. Ang nasa choices, the dimension is, the unit used here is centimeter and decimeter. Okay, let's convert 1.70 meters to centimeter first. Let's see kung saan dito ang tama sa centimeters na nasa choices. Okay, 1.70 meters. So since there is 1 meter is equivalent to 100 meters, so 1.70, let's multiply that by 100, right? So the answer is 170 centimeter. Okay, let's try to convert 1.70 meters to decimeter. Okay, in 1 meter, there are 10, how many? 10 decimeters, right? Okay, 1.70 times 10. The answer is 17. So the correct answer here is letter C. Okay, let's proceed to number 8. Okay.